We accumulate things in one of three ways. So we buy the stuff, we are gifted the stuff, or we find the stuff, like for free on the side of the road. But stuff is really easy to accumulate, but overwhelming to get rid of. And while I'm all team purge, and I love to purge my house, and I like to purge your house, it really doesn't do us any good if all we continue to do is send stuff to the donation station when the problem therein lies in one of those three ways: buying the stuff, receiving the stuff as a gift, and then finding it for free on the side of the road. So I imagine most of you aren't finding things free on the side of the road. When I work with organizing clients, we spend a lot of time on the first part, where are we buying stuff? But this challenge is really focused on that second part, on the gift receiving. It can be even more overwhelming to let go of something that was given as a gift, whether you like it or not, the gift that is. It feels disrespectful. So that's one of the reasons why we have a hard time letting go. And so this challenge is really, really designed to support you on politely unsubscribing from this gift tradition that has really taken over our holiday season, the obligation to participate. And what I would like to encourage you with this challenge, if you're interested, is to replace that gift exchange with the community. It's the people that we want to spend the time with. It's not so much the gift that we get along with that. So if you're interested, I would love for you to sign up.